Go home happy with the 2023 Hyundai Sonata. With less than 25,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This well-built, stylish Sonata delivers the best in family sedan comfort. With a spacious, quiet cabin, ample cargo space, a suite of advanced safety features, and connected infotainment on board, you'll look forward to every drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, keyless start, 4-cylinder engine, alarm, power driver's seat, heated front seat, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection. Feel a new sense of confidence every time you take the wheel of this well-built, smooth-riding Sonata. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.